Welcome back. Today we're doing what is a HTML heading or just HTML headings. So this should be a nice quick one because it's only about 6 tags. Let's get into it. What is a HTML heading? I'll just rename my test document here. HTML headings. A HTML heading is basically a H tag with a 1 through to 6 in it. So the first tag would be H1, and this is a heading 1 and then a close H1. So that is heading 1, which is the largest, and it also does affect the way some things read the page. So this should be your first and main heading of the page. And then there's H2, heading 2, and then all the way down to 3, 4, 5, and 6. So because I'm lazy, I will copy and paste these. Oh, we have to rename this to 3. Hopefully my keyboard is not too noisy. I have to type quietly. Heading 4, and then we have heading 5, and finally heading 6. And we'll just scroll this up so you can see all of the headings. Oh, we're still on 4. Okay, so we'll go 5 and 6. We're just adding this in CodePen, so it does a little bit of code editing magic here. So that is all of our main headings, H1 all the way through to 6. How should you use these headings? Basically, they're defined with these tags, and they are important as the search engines do use the headings to index the site. So when a search engine looks at your site, it will look for this H1 tag first and go, all right, this must be the real title of the document. Obviously, it uses other things such as page title and that kind of thing as well. But if it finds more information in the heading than it does in the page title, it will probably use the first H tag that you use. Some people also just skim through a page and they'll check the heading tags first, as these do stand out more. So make sure you use your heading tags properly. That is pretty much what the headings are in HTML. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.